Okay, so let's discuss what is cryptography. Okay, basically, cryptography is a Greek word, Greek word, which means secret writing, and we know what is secret. So it means crypto means hidden, secret, hidden, while graphene means writing. It means a hidden secret writing, either secret writing. So cryptography basically, when we are sending data in motion normally, when we sending data on internet or any other way from one location to another location, we want to protect their data so that nobody can read them. So for that purpose we use cryptography. So cryptography involves the process of encryption and decryption. One side, the sender will encrypt the data, and on the other side, receiver will decrypt the data. But in the middle, in the middle, nobody can see and they will never understand. That's why it's called secret writing, hidden writing, hidden data, secret data. So it means if we say so, cryptography is the study and practice of hiding data and information. So it means cryptography is the study and practical to hide your information when you are sending the data from one location to another location. If you are sending your information and you want that nobody can read, just like when you are sending letter to someone, so you put them in an envelope. So consider this envelope like this process cryptography. So means cryptography is an art, study, science, method, practice of making the data impossible to read for the man in the middle, the one who is in the middle. So you use cryptography so they will never understand the data. Only the sender and the receiver, they can understand the information only. So it means cryptography is an algorithm, method, techniques, way. When you convert plain text to unreadable format, it means cryptography is nothing but you convert the plain text, your original data, to scramble, unreadable format. And the other person will convert back the unreadable format to original data, plain text. So this whole process is called cryptography. It means cryptography provides you three main things of security, which is confidentiality, integrity, and authentication, which we will discuss later in the course in detail. What is confidentiality, what is integrity, and authentication. It means cryptography is a way and method, techniques, algorithm, which keep the message and other data secret. This is called cryptography. So we use cryptography in our network to protect our data, and special those data which is traveling, means data in motion. So the data which is in motion from one location to another, and we want to protect them. So for that purpose we are using cryptography, and cryptography is nothing but to hide your data. Now there are 5 things involved: plain text, encryption, ciphertext, decryption, and then plain text. This whole process is cryptography. We will discuss these one by one. These terminology. So cryptography terminology, the first thing first is plain text. Plain text means the information in original form. Means your original data, your readable data, your readable information is called plain text or clear text. Means your natural readable data form. It means the data before the encryption, means the original information. It means in simple words, plain text or clear text is original message, information or data is called plain text. I will show you in the lab. Ciphertext. Ciphertext means encrypted message is called ciphertext. Ciphertext is encrypted text, unreadable data. When we convert plain text in unreadable format is called ciphertext. It means unreadable form of plain text is called ciphertext. Means the scrambled messages, information and data is called ciphertext. It can be the same size of plain text and it can be larger than plain text. Okay, so this is called ciphertext. So we have two terminology: plain text, the original information, and the scramble. And the unreadable format is called ciphertext. Third terminology is encryption. The process of changing the plain text into ciphertext is called encryption. When you convert your original data to ciphertext, we just discussed what is ciphertext, to garbage data is called encryption. The process of converting plain text into ciphertext is called encryption. The process of translating original data into secret code is called encryption. It means encryption is a two-way function. It has to be decrypted as well. So it means there is encryption, so there is a decryption as well. And we use encryption for security, to secure our data, to secure our information. The main idea of encryption is to protect our data in motion, from unauthorized person, the man in the middle. Keep in mind, encryption process need algorithm which is called cipher or secret key. We will discuss a bit later. So it means encryption, we have a plain text, we have a key, we have any algorithm method. We will combine these to convert plain text to ciphertext. So this process is called encryption. Now opposite of this is decryption. Receiver, what they will do? They will receive the ciphertext plus the key, and they will use the same algorithm to decrypt them, to receive the original data. So this process is called decryption. So the process of changing ciphertext baked into original plain text is called decryption. It means the process of converting ciphertext back to original plain text is called decryption. To convert garbage data back to original plain text is called decryption. Now another two terminology is encryption algorithm and decryption algorithm. because we have to use same method, and that method formula techniques is called algorithm. So for encryption algorithm, we have to use the same algorithm for decryption as well. It means algorithm define how data is transferred when plain text data scrambled to ciphertext. It means an encryption algorithm is the method to use to transfer data into hidden ciphertext. We have to choose, there are thousand and thousand methods to use to transfer original data to hidden data, to ciphertext, to garbage data. This encryption algorithm also knows cipher, either algorithm, either rule, either call instruction, either call method. Both data sender and receiver must know the algorithm used for data transformation. It means both sender and receiver will use the same algorithm to encrypt the data and to decrypt the data. Otherwise, they will never encrypt the data, either they will not decrypt the data if they are using different algorithm. It means receiver will use the same algorithm to decrypt the ciphertext back into original text. Now decryption algorithm. It means when you encrypt the data using one algorithm, AES, whatever method you use to encrypt the data. So the receiver will use the same algorithm to decrypt them. And we already discussed what is encryption and decryption. But the only thing here is algorithm, method. So suppose here we have a clear text, either plain text ABC. We will use any encryption key. Key is a long number, hexadecimal number we will see in the lab. And we will use any encryption algorithm and we will change this ABC clear text to ciphertext, and we discuss ciphertext. An untrusted network, consider them internet. Nobody can understand this data, which is garbage. So when the receiver receive the data, they will use the same key, they will use the same algorithm, and they will decrypt the data to receive ABC clear text, plain text back. So this whole process. Now let me show you in the lab. First, I will show you from the old encryption, old cryptography, which is Caesar cipher. You know Caesar. In old days, Caesar were using this method to encrypt their message to send them. This why is called Caesar cipher. So let me open a Caesar cipher. So I have a Caesar cipher tool, and let me increase this Caesar cipher tool. So here is input, original data. Suppose my original data is Ahmad, and I want to send this original data in garbage format to my friend. This is the key. So I have the key. Suppose I use 1, and E means encryption. This is decryption. So I will encrypt and my friend will decrypt. They will use the same Caesar cipher tool. They will use the same key, but they will decrypt them. And this one. So now the message is BINBE. Nobody understand that what is behind BINBE. So basically, Caesar cipher tool is encryption algorithm. My friend has to use the same Caesar cipher tool to decrypt them. Plain text. Ahmad is a plain text here because this is the original data. BINBE is the ciphertext, garbage data, nobody understand. And 1 is key, and the method I use is encryption. Now when my friend receive this one, what he will do? He will copy this data, BINBE, let me copy, and he will paste here. but he will use decrypt. But if he use another key, it will give them something else. He has to use the same key as well. And he receive Ahmad, original data. So now this is a ciphertext, this is a plain text, and he used decryption. So I encrypt them and he decrypt. I use plain text and he use ciphertext. I send them ciphertext with key and he use the same key and he convert back the ciphertext to plain text. But it was so easy. So anybody can hack this one. I'm not saying, but this was the old method of cryptography. Let me show you from the new cryptography. So let me go to crypto tool. You can download this crypto tool, okay? So I need cryptography and not classic one, I'm modern. There is asymmetric and symmetric. We will discuss this one, but let me show you from symmetric. Same key. So let me load this one and let me close this one. I don't need huge data. Let me put simple Ahmad, which I put there. Okay. So let me explain you now in modern cryptography. So Ahmad is my plain text. You see here is plain text, and I told you plain text original message. This is my original message, and let me put a key ABC. By the way, it will be a huge. I will show you. Key is nothing but a hexadecimal long number. But anyway, here I give a small key ABC. So this is key. This is original text, plain text, clear text. This is key, and this the encryption algorithm, AES. We will discuss AES later in the course. And this the output. So let me play. You see, nobody can understand that under this message, behind this message, there is Ahmad. So Ahmad is converted to garbage data. Nobody can understand. This is called ciphertext. It's mentioned here, ciphertext. This is in modern way. Old days it has to, shift the keys. That's why Ahmad become BINBE. But in this one, so it will be like this one. So you get the idea. Now the Ahmad can use this one, and they can decrypt, use the same key and same method AES to convert back the ciphertext to plain text. So you get the idea, yeah? Now coming to these terminologies. I hope so you get the idea. Plain text and ciphertext. So you understand from here, but let me give you another example. Let me go to home and let me create a new, click on this one. And sorry, let me go to new, visit. Let me go to visit, and we have encryption and decryption. We just discussed what is encryption and decryption, and click next. So we have classic, the old one, encryption and decryption, but it's better to use the modern one so that you can understand the key and all those stuff. Then we have two different types. We will discuss later on, but anyway, I will use symmetric. Symmetric means same key for encryption and same key for decryption. Anyway, I use symmetric encryption and decryption. Now coming to, we have different algorithm. These are algorithm. You see, it's mentioned here, select modern symmetric encryption and decryption algorithm. So I told you we need the same key and we need the same algorithm. So suppose I am using AES and click next. Now you will get the original information. So encrypt, here is encrypt and decrypt. We have these two things. Leave it this well. We will discuss this. The key says how long you want to keep the key. This one. So this is 128. If you want more longer, so you can use. But anyway, 128 is okay. And this is the key, by the way. So key is nothing but hexadecimal value. So let me put this key here, notepad. And key is this one. This is the key. This is called key. So key is nothing but hexadecimal long number. And this is the original message to encrypt. And we say Ahmed, we want to encrypt this message to encrypt. And this is my key and this is key size. And I want to encrypt. So this is called encryption. Next. And now this is the we discuss here cipher. Let's go back. So this is ciphertext. Let me copy this one and let me copy this one. So here what we have, and also I say algorithm. So let me copy algorithm as well. So now coming back to this application. So let me copy this one. This is ciphertext. And our plain text is this one. Original information. So my plain text is this one. And this is key. So this is key. Plain text is Ahmed. Ciphertext is this one. Key is nothing but hexadecimal. Ciphertext is a garbage data. And algorithm I use AES. There are many methods. One of them is AES. Got it? And this whole process is called encryption. So I encrypt the data. Let's go back and what is decrypt now. So I'm in AES. Next. This time I will say decrypt. I want to decrypt. And I will put the same key. I need the same key. Because it is must, I told you. I need to paste the same key. And I need to paste the ciphertext. Because receiver will put the ciphertext. And they will next, so it will give them original information. Look at Ahmed. Keep in mind, if your key is wrong, let me put something else here. A suppose. It will not give you the original information. Look at nothing. And if I use another, even if the key is okay, but the size is something else, again it will not give you the correct output. You see, no output. And even if the key size is okay, but you use another encryption algorithm, instead of AES you use DES. No, even your key is okay. Your key is okay, but you are using different algorithm. This is my key and I want to decrypt them. It will not give you the same result because you are using different algorithm. It means you need to use the same algorithm, advanced encryption standard. The standard which they use, then you need to use the same. So now it's clear to you these things. Plain text, this is a plain text. Ciphertext, this is the garbage data, we convert them. And then encryption. Encryption, the process which when we convert Ahmed to this ciphertext, this is called encryption. Decryption, when we convert this ciphertext back to Ahmed, was called decryption. Algorithm, encryption algorithm, we use AES, and decryption we also use the same AES. So these are clear to you now, and then we use the old method and then we use the new method to show you what is cryptography. So I hope you understand what is a cryptography and what is these terminologies related to cryptography.